Airports are bustling hubs, but did you know they're also hotspots for global contaminants? From plane emissions to food prep odors, these particles blend, affecting the health of everyone present. Let's explore these hidden threats. Green Ladder's advanced technology acts like TSA for airborne particles. Our high-quality filters detain contaminants, ensuring only clean air passes through. Green Matrix, Flat Panel, and GLT V-Bank solutions provide optimal control over odors and pollutants. Using virgin coconut shell carbon filters, our systems offer sustainable air purification. Reloadable modules ensure efficiency, making Green Ladder a reliable choice for maintaining healthy airport environments. By implementing Green Ladder systems, airports transform into cleaner, healthier spaces. Passengers and staff enjoy improved air quality, enhancing satisfaction. Choose Green Ladder for a safer, more pleasant airport experience for everyone.